This super simple to make, dairy-free homemade yogurt has an awesome power punch to it. What is it? Hemp seeds. Check this out. Hemp seeds have 37 grams of protein per cup as compared to soy at 24 grams per cup, coconut at 12 grams, cashews at 17.7 grams per cup, chia seeds at 15.2 grams, and flaxseed at 31 grams. Hemp seeds also have vitamin E, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and the ever so important zinc for that immune system. This is a great alternative for those of you who don't do dairy yogurts. Raw vegans, you're gonna love this because it's got an extra power punch of protein. So if you're looking a way to find more plant source proteins, hemp seeds is a great way to do it, and this hemp seed yogurt definitely qualifies. But it's not exclusive to raw vegans or vegans. Meat eaters, dairy eaters, keto, paleo, you gotta love this too. You want this in your diet, no matter what kind of diet you follow. Now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make this hemp seed yogurt, and then stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give you some recipe inspiration on how you can use it. Hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen to be a part of my channel, Clean Food Living, and without further ado, let's get started. You can make any size batch of this you want. If you want to start off with a smaller batch because you're not sure if you're going to like it or not, then just simply half this recipe. If you've made it more than once and you know you're going to love it, then double the recipe. What I'm going to start with here today is 2 cups of hemp seeds. Next, you want to use 1 cup of water. I'm going to use my DIY probiotic water that I make myself just to give the yogurt an extra probiotic punch. If you're interested in learning how to do this yourself, it's really easy. I have a video on it. You can check it out right there. You can also use plain water. That is really not a problem at all. Just be sure not to use city water because it contains chemicals like chlorine and such that inhibit fermentation, and you don't want to inhibit fermentation, especially with a yogurt. So if you're on city water, just go ahead and buy bottled spring water and use that. Next, you want to add your probiotics. I'm using Garden of Life, but you can use any brand that you prefer. For this quantity, I'm going to add 2 capsules. Blend it up. I'll just show you the texture of it so far. It is going to taste like straight up hemp seeds because that's what it is. I like the flavor, it doesn't bother me at all, but if you want to sweeten it up or add to the flavor, you can certainly do so. I'm going to add some raw honey here. For a 2-cup batch, I would say add anywhere from 1 to 3 tablespoons. I like raw honey because it's so nutrient dense, but you don't have to do raw honey. Here's some other suggestions. Unsulfured molasses, agave, real maple syrup, not corn syrup made to taste like maple, so check that ingredient label, or just about any raw fruit like dates, berries, peaches, bananas, etc. If you're doing a fruit, add about 1 cup. You want to reblend it after you've added either your fruit or your sweetener, and leave me a comment below. I'd love to know what you ended up using to flavor your hemp seed yogurt. We're all done with the processing part of it. Now just pour it into a bowl or a jar. If you're using a bowl like I am, then just cover it with some plastic wrap, and if you're using a jar, put the lid on. Then you're going to place it on your countertop for anywhere from 8 to 24 hours. This is going to be the fermentation process where the billions of probiotics that you just put in it with your probiotic capsules is now going to ferment into trillions. Just a little FYI here, you can make this yogurt from scratch every time, and as you just saw, it really just takes a couple of minutes. Or you can save 1/4 cup of your yogurt batch for the starter for the next batch, and then you don't have to continue using the probiotic capsules. I've got 2 versions of the finished product to show you. Then be sure to stick around because I've got the recipe inspiration coming right up. This bowl here is the fresh fermented hemp seed yogurt that's been sitting on the counter, so it's still room temperature. This bowl here has fermented on the countertop, and then afterwards I placed it in the fridge. I want to show you the difference in the 2 based on their room temperature refrigerator because it'll make a difference in how you want to use them in the recipes. The room temperature hemp seed yogurt has more fluidity. This one that's been in the fridge, as you can see, did turn a little bit darker than the room temperature version. That's totally okay. Let's take a look. This one is firmer, and if I turn it over here, you can see it's more of a paste-like consistency. So how do you use this hemp seed yogurt without just doing the plain old eating it straight with a few berries on top? Let me give you some recipe inspiration. Breakfast ideas. Add a tablespoon or two to your smoothie. Spread it over your toast with some avocado. If you eat eggs, put a little dollop on top of your eggs. A yogurt parfait with granola and berries. Lunch ideas. Hemp seed yogurt salad dressing. Lettuce wrap with hemp seed yogurt spread. Veggie or meat gyro with a hemp seed yogurt tzatziki sauce. Chickpea salad sandwich using the yogurt instead of mayonnaise. Dinner ideas. Veggie or meat burger with added yogurt spread on the bun. Homemade oven-baked french fries with hemp seed yogurt dipping sauce. Any kind of gazpacho with this hemp seed yogurt as a yummy garnish swirl on top. Crispy cauliflower tacos with hemp seed yogurt instead of sour cream. I don't have the time in this video to go over the how-to step-by-step for each one of those recipes, but what you can do is just hop on Google or Pinterest, put in the name of the recipe that interests you, and tons of recipes will come up that will give you the step-by-step to actually make it. I just wanted to give you a little inspiration to get your mind churning on ways you can use it without just having to stick with it plain. I do want to give you another little tip on using the hemp seed yogurt in recipes. If you're going to use it for something that you want to be more fluid, let's say for a salad dressing, then use the room temperature version. If you want to use the yogurt in something like a spread on top of toast or on your burger bun, then use the chilled version. And if you're like me and you just love fermenting foods because it's so healthy for you, so healing to your body, then you'll want to check out these other videos of mine. I'd love to have your support, so give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Be sure to ding that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified each time I put up a new video. I hope you enjoy this yogurt as much as I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye!